Sailor Moon is my childhood memory and Sailor Jupiter is my favorite. Her cooking skill is exceptional. So today I want to make a lunchbox inspired by her.
The first menu is korokke. Start by boiling potatoes until they are soft. The cooking time will depend on the size of your potatoes. Let's fry some onions until they become translucent. Then cook the minced beef. Let it brown a bit before breaking it apart. Season it with salt, pepper, and soy sauce. I do not use sugar here because cooked onions are already sweet. Make sure the flavor is strong enough because this will season the potatoes later. Remove the potato skin and mash them as finely as you like. Add beef mixture and combine it together. The ratio is 1:4. Mold it into the cylindrical shape. Let them chill in fridge for 1 hour. Cover them with all-purpose flour, egg whites, and breadcrumbs. I use 2 rounds of dipping in egg and breadcrumbs because it sticks better. You can use a whole egg. I use egg whites just because I'm using yolk in another recipe that I will show later. Fry them until they turn golden brown. You don't have to worry about the cooking time because the inside is already cooked. It's time for mini hamburger steak. I add egg yolk, cooked onions, salt, and pepper. I make it into small patties. I cook both sides on medium heat for 2 minutes and then cover for 4 minutes. To make a cute cheek egg, I cut a hard-boiled egg in half, remove egg yolk and flip the other side up. Then I decorate it with carrot and sesame seeds. For sauce, I use sugar, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and ketchup. I mix this cute furikake with rice and use a mold to make a right balls. Everything goes so well together, but my only question is, what time did she wake up to make this?